What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's low profile fender flares on this Can-Am Commander. So that's all there is to it. Be sure to drop a like, comment. No, it's not that easy, but let me show you how easy it really is. So the first thing we're going to do is take our flare. We're going to start to get it lined up. Something just about like this right here. And all we're going to worry about is this lower section at first, and just kind of get it all lined up on this side, and then the rest will follow. So we're going to get it lined up, and then once we have it where we want it, we'll just take a Sharpie or some sort of marker and mark all of these holes. So as you can see, our machine previously had our low profile fender flare, so the holes are already there. But what you're gonna do is take a 1/4 inch drill bit, and you can look in the flare itself. The 1/4 inch drill bit will be used for the larger holes. And then as you can see, we have smaller holes. These smaller holes will be used with our hardware. When you're drilling this lower hole, make sure you don't pop through the other side of the fender. So now we're just going to take our push pins and install them into our lower holes on this side. And we can come up here to this hole as well. Go ahead and get the push pin installed, just like so. Now, what we're going to do is go through and mark the rest of our holes. Whenever you're marking your hole, you just want to make sure that you get this flare tucked back in as far as you possibly can. So just mark them, mark it, and then do the rest of these as well. So get it lined up, drill through your hole. Line up. Drill through your hole, and that's your last of your push pin holes. So we'll take our push pins, get them installed, like so. Now just go through, hold your flare up tight, and drill the rest of your holes, and we'll be using the same drill bit that we've been using. So now we're going to grab 5 of our M6x20s, 5 of our curved washers, 5 of our nylock nuts, and 5 of our flat fender washers. So we're going to take our hardware, making sure that we have the SuperATV washer on it. We're going to go to this front hole right here and slide it through the plastic as well as the fender flare. So on the back side, we're going to take one of our flat fender washers and install it to the hardware that we previously slid through the plastic. Once we've done that, we'll take one of our nuts and go ahead and get it started onto the hardware. So now we're just going to repeat the same steps for the rest of our holes for our bolts on the flare. Now we're going to go ahead and fully tighten all of our hardware.
hot.
So now moving on to the rear, you're gonna see right here on the bedside, you're gonna have 5 T30 Torx and 1 push pin. You'll wanna go ahead and remove these now. So now we're gonna grab our passenger side rear fender flare. It should look just like this with a little notch to the inside. The first hardware that we're gonna put in is the provided push pin. It's gonna be the same push pin we used in the front. It's gonna go right through like this into the factory push pin location. So then we're gonna grab 5 M6 by 30 millimeter Allens as well as our SuperATV aluminum washers. And we're just gonna thread them right in to the factory clips through the SuperATV fender flare. Just gonna go through, thread our hardware right into the factory clips on the machine. Then we'll just go ahead and fully tighten our hardware. Gotta be careful if you don't get them started enough, they will fall out. So now that you have your front and rear installed on your passenger side, just repeat all the same steps on the opposite side, and that's really how easy it is to install SuperATV's low-profile fender flares on this Can-Am Commander. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today. While you're there, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.